Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and thanks to this Nutritive Bain Satin Shampoo by Kerastase, my hair looks and feels moisturized and shiny. My hair is actually very dry and very curly, so I always try to use products that moisturize it, and this shampoo it's actually perfect. After I apply it, I like to massage my head for a while and then I rinse it. And when I detangle my hair, it feels very clean, and also it's really easy to like detangle the hair. And after blow drying it, it looks super shiny and soft, and I love it. I like the scent. It's like a mild floral scent, and I like that with a small amount it lathers well enough in the hair. So if you want a product that moisturizes your hair, that gives some glow to your hair at the same time smells delicious, I highly recommend this one. This is the Nutritive Bain Satin Shampoo by Kerastase. I love this shampoo so much, I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.